Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are learning how to make a mango cake using a blender at home. You're going to love this one, and this is just a piece from the cake, and like you see, it's so soft, well cooked and very fluffy, and it was so delicious. And now let's get started. Start by adding a cup of chopped mango and a half cup of oil into a blender, and after that you are going to add sugar, a half cup, and all the quantities like you see are on the video. Next you're going to add a quarter teaspoon of vanilla essence, and you're just going to lock your blender and blend this mixture for 1 minute. 1 minute later, this is how the mixture should be like. Transfer the mixture to a bowl, and now we are going to start adding all the dry ingredients. I used 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and we're going to sift it just to get rid of any lumps and unwanted stuff in the flour. And after sifting, now going in with your spatula, just give it a good mix, mixing gently to ensure that all the ingredients come together nicely like you see on the video. And after mixing, now transfer to a prepared baking tin like you see here. And guys, like you see, it has been a very simple step preparing the cake. Just transfer it to a baking tin and just tap on your working surface to get rid of any air bubbles, and it's ready to bake. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees, and this is how the cake was after the time. And guys, just confirm using a toothpick just to see that it's well cooked, and now let it cool, and after cooling, transfer it now to your plate or to your board if it's well cooked and ready to be eaten. You see, it was cooked so evenly. Yes, and now you're just going to cut a piece from it, and you can serve this with tea. You can even have it as a snack. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. If you're new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, and for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till next time, have a nice time.